News coming in on the latest Tirupati scandal to come to light. Another scam has been revealed. This time silk shawls that actually turned out to be polyester shawls. The Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan has spoken on this Tirupati shawl scam. In fact, he has said that if you dig into each and every Devasthanam board, you're going to find something or the other. Something will come tumbling out of the cupboards there. But this is now that all these revelations are coming out, be it the fake ghee or these fake shawls or stoles. This is now because there is a strong, temple board, is what he has said, that clear instructions have been given to all the officials from the Chief Minister's side, and that is why all these revelations are now emerging.
Telling you, if you dig into each and every Devasthanam board, there's some kind of things will keep happening. Good, because all these are coming out because there is a very strong TTD board is there and India government is there. We are letting as if clear instructions had been given to TTD officials from the Honorable CM. I think that's the reason all these things have come out. Before, they used to be there, we used to hear it by hearsay. Now we know that it is all true.
All right, he says because we have a strong TTD board is why all these scandals are now coming out. So let's bring you the latest scam that is rocking the Tirupati temple. This after the scandalous Laddu scam and then the fake ghee. Now another shocker that has been revealed. A vigilance report has claimed that the well-known Pattu Sarega dupattas or the silk shawls that are contracted as silk are actually made of polyester and sold at higher prices. So these so-called silk shawls that we see all the celebrities have and many of the pilgrims there actually using are actually made of polyester. The case came to light when a sample was sent to the Central Silk Board labs where a solid mismatch was confirmed. The reports have also suggested that materials worth 54.95 crore were supplied to the TTD that's the temple board, between 2015 and 2025. Responding immediately to the scam, the TTD board has requested that the DG ACB probe the matter. The current tender has also been cancelled. Meanwhile, the purchase committee has been authorized to secure urgent emergency supplies for the next 15 days of genuine silk stoles. Let's just listen in to what has been said on this latest scam coming to light.
దానికి అన్ని అడగద్దండి. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తా. ఈ షాల్వాలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, అది బయట 350 రూపాయలు 400 రూపాయలు దొరుకుతుంది. దాన్ని 1334 రూపాయలు కొంటున్నారు. ఇప్పటికీ నాకు తెలిసి ఈ 4-5 ఏళ్ళు ఒక 50 కోట్ల రూపాయల మెటీరియల్ ఉన్నారు. మాకు అక్కడ డౌట్ వచ్చింది. అక్కడి నుంచి చూస్తే చాలా వరకు ఇట్లాంటి అవినీతి జరిగింది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళని ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. ఏసీబీ చూసుకుంటుంది.